Oh man, he's about to get to the tunnel. Right there. Right there. Oh, it's going through. It's going through the tunnel now. And here, it's a lot of cars. Those one, the very first one at the far end, they look like, I don't know, tar or asphalt. These are, I don't know, like mine or some kind of ore transport. And the other ones are open for some reason. I don't know what they take, but here it is. Okay, this is another section of tankers here. See the tankers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tankers. And again, those open carts, I don't know what they transport there, but they're empty now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of those. And another tankers right there, other tankers. And those ones, I don't know what they carry there. If somebody knows, make a comment. Oh, there's a lot of those here. All this section is pretty much the same. And here is the end. You'll see it right there. That's the very last one. So I'm gonna follow what it is left on this side of the tunnel. And there is the train. So the tunnel is still eating it. It seems like it is swallowing whole, so that's why it said eating it. And that, where's the last one? Right there. I'll zoom out. And now is the end of it. Okay, hold it.